Welcome my wonderful people. On today's video we are going to be making a very special French fries. So let's look at the ingredients in which we are going to use to make these special French fries. So the ingredients here are flour, butter, eggs, parsley, Irish potatoes, white pepper, salt, baking powder, and milk. Firstly, you peel and cut your Irish potatoes into even size and put it on fire and allow it to get cooked while other things will be prepared. Don't mind the way I'm using my left, so you can use your right. While the Irish potatoes is cooking on fire, bring in your wok and add a little amount of water. Then add your butter, followed by your milk. Put it on a heat and stir it till the butter is melted. Before you can now add in your flour and stir it to a well thickened paste. Please be careful of the consistency. Reduce the heat and stir it gently so to avoid lumps. By so doing, you shouldn't forget your potatoes that is on fire, so you have to be checking on it so it won't get over soft and get burnt on fire. While this is thickened and free from lumps, you can now turn it to a bowl and now drain off your Irish potatoes from the water and put it on the sieve. Then use your spatula or any other equipment of your choice to pass it through the sieve, just as I am doing here. The same method here is applied in the making of mashed potatoes. Once this is achieved, you can now turn the mashed potatoes to the mixture of flour that was formerly made. Mix both the mashed potatoes and the flour together. Then you can now add your egg and mix it together also. Next is baking powder, salt, and then drop in your parsley and mix all together. Then you can now add in your white pepper and mix. Once everything is well mixed, you can now put it to your piping bag, fill it up, and then follow the process you are seeing here on this video. The piping bag I'm using comes with a star nozzle, so you can get your star nozzles from any baking shop. From my piping bag, I'm pressing this out, then I'm using my scissors to cut it. For about 2 to 3 minutes, this will turn to a golden brown. Then you can now remove it from the oil and fix in another set. As you can see here, the steps are very easy to follow. So repeat this process till all the mixture you have in your piping bag is finished. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. And if you are new here, please click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. And to our returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for your love and support. Really want to thank you so very much. Thank you. Do have a lovely day.